welcome to the lollipop song.
Hello, Max said hi. Come play to bowl. Lily snod, hip hip hooray. Let's make ice cream sweet and cold. Yummy stories to be told. Max brings a shiny little bowl. Lily says, let's start our goal. Mixing time is lots of fun, making treats for everyone. Iva milk, 1, 2, 3, white and creamy as can be. Splash and swirl, don't spill a drop. Keep on mixing, never stop. Pour the cream so smooth and bright. Everything looks fluffy white. Mix it gentle, nice and slow. Watch our yummy ice cream grow. Sprinkle sugar soft and sweet, making such a tasty treat. Stir it round with happy cheer. Yummy magic's almost here. One small splash of vanilla too. Smells so lovely, woo woo woo. Stir it well with happy smiles. Fun is growing all the while. Max picks chocolate rich and brown. Lily strawberry wins the crown. Mix the colors, swirl around. Sweetest flavors can be found. Rainbow sprinkles falling down, colorful like a happy town. Tiny chips and candy too. Everything looks bright and new. Round and round the spoon will go, fast and gentle, nice and slow. Mix together, laugh and sing. Joy is in everything. Into the freezer, safe and tight. Wait a little, it'll be right. Tick tock, not a day. Soon we'll eat without delay. Bake round scoops in every cone. Yummiest ice cream ever known. Pink and brown and creamy white. Every scoop's a happy sight. Max and Lily clap with glee. Best ice cream for you and me. Share with family, share with friends. Happy fun that never ends. Ice cream, yummy delight. Made with love from